Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple Beats Pill speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily rename it on your iPhone. Let's get started. At first we have to scroll to our control panel and hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click Bluetooth settings and click our device info. Now we can click on our name and change it to something we want. For example, hard reset. And we have clicked done. Now our device is renamed. That's it. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye.